Matagumpay kung ituring ng grupong Integrated Filipino-Canadian Nurses Association ang kanilang Clinical Skills Workshop noong 2024 at ngayong National Nurses Week sa Canada. Pinaghahanda ang muli ng kanilang grupo ang ikalawang taunang pagdiriwang para sa mga internationally educated nurses.
Last year, we only had around 65. And this year, we are able to triple that number to at least 120 or 130. For this year, we just really want to make sure that we hone in the skills that probably they have learned over the years as a nurse in the Philippines or whatever country they actually came from prior to coming to Canada. And then just make sure that with the changes in our legislation for CNO that they become practice ready.
Sa darating na event, iba't ibang workshops ang gagawin, gaya ng hemodialysis training, blood transfusions, at paano rumisponde sa mga tinatawag na Code Blue o medical emergencies na kailangan ng agarang atensyon. Isasagawa rin ang mock interview sessions, kung paano mas pabubutihin ang mga sagot pagdating sa job interview.
I've been giving a lot of interview sessions like webinars for our kababayans, and one of the things that we've been finding really challenge for them is being able to answer those standard questions, the relational questions, and even the questions that pertain to nursing skills, depending on where they're applying for. So if they're applying for a job in a hospital, the set of questions will be quite different. But if they apply to a nursing home, the set of questions will also be quite different.
Ang journey ng pagiging IEN dito sa Canada, hindi nag-stop sa nursing registration. It will end up until sa workplace integration. But during that period, maraming challenges ang na-encounter ni IEN. Isa na din dito yung paghanap ng trabaho and how to rebuild that confidence. So I think with this workshop, makatutulungan natin sila to rebuild that confidence and to enhance that competence sa mga IEN.
Umaasa raw sina Gravoso at Azurin na sa suportang makukuha sa pagtitipon, mas maging kumpiyansa sa kanilang kakayahan ang nurses at mainganyong sumubok pa ring makapagtrabaho sa Canada.
By investing sa internationally educated nurses, actually we're strengthening the healthcare system.
Every time an IEN gets to get credentialed and become an RN, it feels like it's also us winning that battle to make sure that everyone will have the opportunity to practice safely and successfully here in Canada.
Sa May 24 hanggang May 25, gaganapin ang pagdiriwang at Clinical Skills Workshop na gaganapin sa Improve Canada Auditorium sa Vaughan, Ontario. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.